Let me show you how to add in test content into your Drupal site, because trust me, when you are building out a Drupal site, it's very useful to have dummy content or just test content in general. Now head over to drupal.org/project/devel, and this module actually has a submodule called Devel Generate, which we can use to create content. So to start things off, scroll down and copy the composer command and download it into your Drupal site. Then head over to extend and search for Devel, and you should see Devel Generate right here. Just install it. Then go to configuration, scroll down, and you should see this generate section. Click on generate users, and then you can put in how many test user accounts you want to create. Just leave that set to 50 and then click on generate. Let's jump back and then click on generate terms, because the article does have a tags field. So select tags as your vocabulary and then just simply click on generate. This will create a bunch of test terms. Now that we've created the terms and the users, let's create the actual content. So click on generate content and then select the content types you want to generate. Scroll down, and what I like to do is select all of the users, but then unselect anonymous and admin. And this way, the test user accounts that we created are set as authors. Scroll all the way down and click on generate. Once the content has been generated, if you go to the content page, you should see a bunch of test content right here. And if you click on, say, article, for example, you will see a title, image, body, as well as tags.